Welcome to CAD with Mr. U, your CAD resource. In today's video, we're looking at part 6 of 6 videos covering the topic how to draw an involute and the normal and tangent to the involute. We will start in the video now. Let me center the drawing and zoom it up so you can see it. All right. So where these arcs intersect the semicircle, right? I'm going to label it for you. So I'm going to go so you can follow. Single line text right here. Height would be 4 millimeter, rotation angle 0. So this would be what? T. This point would be U. All right. Now I want to move the T. So I'm going to click here, select the object, click here, and then move it, come down. We need to turn off object snap. So I'm going to put it right here. Good. Well, we're going to move the U to, okay, so we go select the object, enter, select here, and put it right there. Good. That's better. Good. We want our drawings to look neat and they must be accurate. All right, so we're going to mark another arc from U and T. So center at T, going to turn on object snap, center at T. We're going to mark an arc radius 15. Hope you're following along, you know. All right, so we're going to go again. Center start end, center at U. And then we're going to mark an arc 15, enter. Good. Where the two arcs intersect, that would be the tangent. So let me draw a line from this intersection to P, enter. And this line would be the tangent. All right. So I'm going to extend it. So we have some lines here, so we can extend it easily to the north, upwards. So let me extend it. So I type extend. When I click on it, see, I'm going to extend it all the way out to there. Good. I'm going to extend it the other side to there, there. And let me zoom out. Center. I'm going to center the drawing. All right, so I'm going to draw a random line out here so I can extend it to it. All right, so we click here, there, enter. Then I type extend. When I click on it, good, there it is, enter. We're going to delete this line, it's not part of the construction. I just use it to extend it. All right, so I'm going to center the drawing. Center the drawing. All right, so I'm going to label tangent right here. This involute, I'm going to move it, right? So I'm going to go move the label. Select the object, enter. The base point will be the end of here. I'm going to put it enter. All right. I'm going to move it out. So I click on it. That's better. Good. All right, that's our inverse. So I'm going to label tangent right here. All right, so we're going to go single line text. And this, I'm going to turn off objects now. I'm going to select right here as a start. The height will be 4. The angle would be 300. It looks like 300. Enter. So this will be tangent. Enter. Good. All right. Now it's not properly aligned. So we're going to go rotate. Going to click on the object. Enter. The base point I'm going to choose right here. I'm just going to rotate it like this. Good. Now I'm going to move it closer to the line. So we're going to click on the word tangent. Enter. I'm going to choose the base point. I'm just going to carry it down like this. All right, what we need to do now, we need to put the normal and the tangent on the outline layer so that the line weight is 3.3 millimeters. All right, good. All right, the next thing we're gonna do now to finish the drawing, if we want, we can indicate the distance AB, right? Which is a circumference. So we're gonna go linear. We're gonna select right here. Then we're gonna select the end of B. I'm coming down. So I remember I told it was 25.6. All right. Now, the comma here, what we're going to do, we're going to format it. So we're going to go to dim style, type D for the shortcut. Can you remember what we do next? We go to modify. What we're going to do, we're going to go to the tab that says primary units. We're going to change the comma to a period, which is a full stop. Then we could round it off. We're going to let it stay at showing 0.6. All right, so press OK, close. And you see now, it's now the decimal point instead of the comma. All right, we're going to come back again. So we're going to go, going to come here. I'm going to choose B, which is the end of the line. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to double click on this. I'm going to change this to circumference. So good job. Now to complete the drawing, what we're going to do, we're going to label the drawing, right? So we're going to go multi-line text. I'm going to select here. So we're going to change, it's 4 millimeters, good. So we're going to write to construct an involute, comma, normal, and normal and tangent given the diameter of the circle. All right. So it's an involute to a circle, normal and tangent. I'm going to put a full stop here, right? So in today's video, the diameter was 40. All right, so let us center this now. Click outside, center it. And if we zoom up, I'm going to close. All right, gonna close this and close this. Press OK. And when we zoom up now, this is our involute and the tangent are normal to the involute. And this would have completed today's drawing. So in today's drawing, we looked at the construction of the involute of a circle, involute to a circle. We drew the normal and tangent to the involute. So good job if you follow along. In the next video, we'll be looking at the construction of a pyramid. So we'll be drawing the pyramid in isometric projection, and also in the next video we'll be drawing it in third angle projection, and in the other video, which is the third video, we will be drawing the development for the pyramid. So we're looking forward to seeing you in those 3 videos. Please take care until we meet again. Bye. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we drew the normal and tangent to the involute of a circle of the 6 videos in the topic. In the next video, we'll be looking at building drawing. So we're looking forward to seeing you in that video. Please take care until we meet again. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.